Welcome back to Auto Vision. Today we're looking at a stunning custom build, the GMC Hummer H2 Luxury Modified Edition. This is not your ordinary SUV, this is presence on wheels. Starting from the front, you see the bold Hummer grille, aggressive bumper design, and sharp LED daytime running lights that give it a powerful and modern look. The wide stance instantly grabs attention. Move to the side, and the first thing you notice, incredible Gullwing style doors. These upward opening doors completely transform the SUV into a showstopper. The extended body kit and custom side steps enhance its luxury appeal. Check out those massive chrome alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires. They add a sporty yet premium feel to this heavy-duty machine. From the rear angle, the stretched body design gives it a limousine-style presence, making it perfect for VIP transport or exclusive events. Under the hood, the Hummer H2 is known for its strong V8 performance, delivering serious power and road dominance. This custom built